All right, what's going on, guys? So, obviously, a lot of you guys know that I'm very big in like sales, very good on the phone, but I want to talk about like a quick strategy for DM. So, a lot of you guys get like organic outreach, and you really don't know how to close people efficiently. Recently, I had this guy message me, and he was telling me how he wanted to like promote his music video on like YouTube. So, the biggest thing, if people approach you with like anything that people want to promote, like if you're like you own a marketing agency or you're like a coach consultant and people are basically they have their own offer and you want to like show them how to promote it or whatever the case may be, what I did was actually, funny enough, is he sent me the link here, as you guys can see, and then since I'm in the car right now, he sent me this about an hour ago, and I basically opened it up, and I have Dave, who's recording right now, he recorded me listening to it in the car. So, like, it's a really personal way for, like, me to interact with people through DM, and it's, like, an easy way to, like, close people, because it's, like, no one's really willing to do that. So, like, if you're, if you do Facebook ads like me, and someone sends you their store, and you can make a quick Loom video for them so that you can show them like around the store and any edits you have, like critiquing it live, that's going to do really well. And plus, like voice messages that are personalized to them, where it's you sending them, that puts people away. So like sometimes go the extra extent to sell people, because it's not just about like the money part. It's about like, first of all, the fact that you went out of your way, when most people will not do that. Most people will not plug that song in, play it in their car, or even think like that. Most people will just message them some boring ass message and not close anybody. So, and then you obviously, when you put that much value up front, then you send them a calendar link or somewhere to book a calendar, that person is literally 75% of the way to close, and it builds a better relationship with that person because you're transparent. So, hope you guys enjoyed that tip, and I'll talk to you guys soon.